Crawling is acceptable. Falling is acceptable. Puking is acceptable. Crying is acceptable. Blood, pain is acceptable. Quitting is not. This is my road back to the stage. This is my road to redemption. What's up, guys? It's me, your boy, Jay Dizzle Shizzle, back in the Hizzle. Hope you guys are doing well. Shout out to everybody that's tuning in. All right, guys, here at the gym late night. Well, not late night, but it's 9 o'clock at night. Just got off of work. About to hit a big chest workout. Wanted to bring you guys along. There's only one guy here. He's on the step mill there. But I wanted to bring you guys along for what I can. So let's get after it, baby. It's time for redemption.
If I give you what you wanted, can you keep it off the record? And when I turn on the camera, tell me, can you take direction? Perfection. You know the sweetest presidential. You're about to get elected. Yeah. In the morning we can sip champagne, and I'ma eat you up for breakfast. Delicious. Let me give it to you. 2 times, you know I love that, love that, love that. Thick thighs, you know I love that, love that, love that. Talk nasty, girl, I love that, love that, love that, love that. Back up on me, I love that, love that. All around the world, it's your turn. We could take our time, it's a slow burn. Pop another pill, never sober. Baby, planning on leaving your life around midnight. Gone, gone already. Baby, we'll be gone, gone already. Gone. In the morning we'll be gone. In the morning we'll be gone. We already gone. In the morning we'll be gone. Yeah. Baby, I don't wanna rush you. You know you control the tempo. Yeah. Bet you like it when I touch it. I do. Blow your mind just like a whistle. Official. No, we ain't gotta complicate things. Just keep it nice and simple. That's how we do it all day. Baby girl, you got potential. If you want the info, I'ma give it to you. 2 times, you know I love that, love that, love that. Thick thighs, you know I love that, love that, love that. Talk nasty, girl, I love that, love that, love that.
Woo! All right, guys. So hitting those incline dumbbell presses, man. I had the 65s, and that shit felt like death. So, guys, you gotta check your ego at the door. We're doing lots of volume. So these are a lot of supersets. So you do pressing move, then you do push-ups. So 8 on each. So did 8 with the dumbbells, and then you go into wide push-ups, incline push-ups. That's brutal on the chest, guys, at least mine anyway. So especially 3 weeks, well, going into 2 weeks now before I turn everything into the judges. So, you know, the strength isn't there. So but it's not about, you know, always lifting heavy. It's not about all the strength all the time, guys. So you gotta check your ego, you know, and you're gonna make the weights feel heavier by doing supersets, drop sets, things like that. So right now, so I did 2 pressing movements with 2 push-ups, so two supersets back to back. So I have another one which is decline and then dips, but right now I'm going to switch it up because my chest is on fire from the pressing. So we're going to hit the Pec Dec. We're going to do 4 sets here. Then we're going to go to there's another guy here, he's hitting back, and there's another guy in here hitting legs. So I'm going to let them do their thing over there where the racks are, and then we'll go into the decline and then the dip superset after that. So let's go, baby.
Back up on me, I love that, love that. All around the world, it's your turn. We could take our time, it's a slow burn. Pop another pill, never sober. Baby, planning on leaving your life around midnight. Gone, gone already. Baby, we'll be gone, Time is moving, I cannot stay. Lost people with a smile on display. Fuck this window that I'm standing in. I'm doing more than all these mannequins.
I seen a lot of things changing my perspective. I seen a lot of things I never expected. People drinking liquor, trying to fill their emptiness. Spending all their money on some people faking friendliness. Money isn't happiness with nobody to spend it with. And people acting real, but really they just gon' be blending in. I keep my circle small. I know who rockin' with me, cause some people say they got you, but they changing up too quickly. When they go down, they gone now. Don't pick you up when you fall now, but they hit you up when you on now. When they want it all, trying to ball out. I know how that shit go. Say to myself and I get it alone. Keeping it real and I know what's the deal with the people that with me since I was at home.
Yeah, people come, yeah, people go. I just sit back and collect gold. I'd rather do it all on my own. No one else could feel in my role. Time is moving, I cannot stay. Lost people with a smile on display. Fuck this window that I'm standing in. I'm doing more than all these mannequins.
These people want relationships for benefits. Seeing through their skin and I can tell you that they delicate. Seeing through their shadow when the truth is always evident. They tryna bring me down, so I'm always staying hesitant. Life been getting crazy, is it really what I wanted? When I put in time, I worked for this. I always saw it coming, but I was having second thoughts. Was I driven for the wrong reasons? Becoming someone surrounded by all the demons. And I stepped back and took time off. Found myself when I felt lost. Found the things that I wanted in life, and I always been my own boss. And I always been on my own, dog. Doing things how I planned out. Thinking about my family when they told me I was gonna stand out. Like, whoa.
Yeah, people come, yeah, people go. I just sit back and collect gold. I'd rather do it all on my own. No one else could feel in my role. Time is moving, I cannot stay. Lost people with a smile on display. Fuck this window that I'm standing in. I'm doing more than all these mannequins.
Woo! All right, guys, so that's it for the workout, man. Hope you enjoyed that, man. Got 5 miles on the treadmill. That's all I had in me. So tomorrow starts my tour days. I'm going to be 2 weeks out, guys, from turning everything into the OCB Steel City Natural Judges. And man, I'm going all out, man. I'm going all out. Hoping for a good weigh-in this week with Coach and check-in and all of that good stuff. I am a scale junkie. I know I shouldn't be, but I want to see that number come down this week. I want to see the number come down for peak week and all of that good stuff. So then when I turn in everything to the judges, man, I'm looking absolutely shredded, okay? So that's all I got for you right now, man. I will see you on the next one. Maybe try to bring you a full day of eating if I can, something like that. Or, you know, like I said, I want to be tunnel vision this week, guys. So I don't know what I'm going to be able to bring you, but that's all I got for you right now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. There's nothing you can do about that, man, about the shower up, because your boy's smelling like a young bear. Woo! And I'm out, baby. That's it. Peace.